Hi all. Here in this video I am going to discuss about solution of previous university question of K2 syllabus for basic electrical, and the university question is based on nodal analysis. So the question is here: find current in 100 ohm resistor using node analysis. So here, that is the current. Here it is asked find the current in 100 ohm resistor using node analysis. Okay, we know that for the node analysis, the first step is to identify the nodes. So we can see this is one node, this is other node, this is the third node, and these two nodes are common node. So we can take these two nodes as a single node, and then again this is another node. Okay, so we can come to the explanation part. So we had identified nodes here A, B, C and D. That is first step, identify the nodes. Then give voltage or assume voltage for these nodes as VA, VB, VC and VD. Then ground or earth the node with maximum number of sources. That is, here this D node is having maximum number of sources. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements, maximum number of elements. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements is considered to D, is connected to D node. So we are considering this D node as reference node. So assume the three nodes A, B, C and D. Then voltage VA, VB, VC and VD, and put one node as reference node. Here VD is D is reference node where VD is equal to 0. So here it is given how we had taken this C as, here C is a common node. If we are bringing this point to here, we can redraw the figure like this. So once we had identified the node, then our aim in nodal analysis, our aim is to find node voltages, that is VA, VB, VC, VC. So from the circuit itself, it is clear that VA means voltage between A node and D node. So from the circuit, it is clear that voltage between A node and D node is 60 volt. So VA is equal to 60 volt. It is understood from the circuit itself. So the unknowns are VB and VC. So we have to formulate two equations. There are two unknowns, VB and VC. So we want to formulate two equations. And in order to formulate equation, we are applying KCL, Kirchhoff current law, at nodes B and node C. First we can apply KCL, Kirchhoff current law, at node B. In order to apply Kirchhoff current law, we are assuming the branch currents. That is, current through 20 ohm resistor, current through 30 ohm resistor, current through 1 ampere current source. So since it is a current source, it is clear that the current through this branch I3 is 1 ampere itself. Since this is a current source, it is clear that I3 equal to 1. Again I1 and I2 we had assumed. So what is current? Current is V by R. So here what is the voltage? VA minus VB by 20. Then what is the voltage? Here I2. I2 is flowing in this direction. So what is I2? VC minus VB by 30. So these are the currents I1, I2 and I3. So we want to apply KCL at node B. By applying KCL at node B, KCL means Kirchhoff current law. That is, the current flowing inwards is equal to current flowing outwards. So here all the currents are flowing inwards. Okay, we had assumed in such a way that all the currents are flowing inwards. Arrow നോഡിലേക്കാണ്, ബി എന്ന നോഡിലേക്ക് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് I1ഉം I2ഉം I3യും ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലേ. I1ഉം I2ഉം I3യും നോഡ് ബിയിലേക്ക് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് ഫ്ലോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So it is I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to 0. So then we want to write equation VA VB by this equation for I1, I2 and I3 has to be written here. So we will obtain the equation as 0.033 VC minus 0.0833 VB equal to minus 4. Similarly, we want to formulate equation for VC also. VC, we are assuming equation current as I4, I5 and I6. I4 is the current flowing through 30 ohm resistor, I5 current flowing through 50 ohm resistor, and I6 current flowing through 100 ohm resistor. Similarly, here only difference is in the case of I5, here we want to take, it is current means V by R, voltage is VC minus 40 by 50. Okay, VC with respect VC minus 40 by 50, that is current I5. This is the thing which we want to be conscious while taking the branch current through 50 ohm resistor. അതായത് ഇവിടെ മറ്റേത് സിമിലറായിട്ട് ബി പോലെ തന്നെ സിമിലറായിട്ടാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ഒരേ ഒരു ഡിഫറൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ ഈ 50 ഓം റെസിസ്റ്റർ ഒരു സൈഡ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് സി നോഡിലേക്ക്, അതായത് വി സിയിലേക്കും മറ്റു നോഡ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് 40 വോൾട്ട് ഉള്ള ഒരു വോൾട്ടേജ് സോഴ്സിലേക്കുമാണ്. സോ അതിൽ തന്നെ പ്ലസ് സൈഡിലേക്കാണ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ വി സി മൈനസ് 40 by 50 ആയിരിക്കും I5 എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം മാത്രമേ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാനുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, that's about we want to consider this. So I4 plus I5 plus I6 equal to 0 is the equation at node C. Then we will be obtaining this equation, then solving 1 and 2 for the equation which is obtained from B and C, that is solving 1 and 2, we will obtain VC and VB. Once you obtain VC and VB, okay, VC and VB, what is the question? Question asked is current through 100 ohm resistor. Current through 100 ohm resistor. What is current through 100 ohm resistor? I6. What is I6? I6 is VC minus VD by 100 or VC by 100. That is, what is VC? VC is 47.47. 47.47 by 100, that is equal to 0.447. That is the current through 100 ohm resistor. This is the nodal analysis. This is about nodal analysis, and thank you.